Hi, it's Louise here, and we are on the final video of our Empowered Habits, Healthy Habits video training series. And in this final video, I'm going to talk about how I stopped self-sabotage and improved my coaching. I'm going to begin with sharing some details about my self-sabotage habit. How did self-sabotage impact my coaching skills and my coaching sessions? And then my how to stop self-sabotage hacks that improved my coaching, and then how to stop self-sabotage healthy habits bonus download. All right, let us look at my self-sabotage habit.
It seems that with all unhealthy habits, it's the avoidance of pain. But for self sabotage, engaging in self sabotaging behaviors help me avoid feelings of shame, embarrassment, or anxiety. Plus, it released dopamine. Control, engaging in self sabotage, allowed me to manage my expectations and avoid potential disappointment. Validation, self sabotage, was a way for me to validate my negative self beliefs, reinforcing the idea that I was not capable or worthy of success. This can create a cycle where my brain associated self sabotaging behaviors with relief or reward, making it harder to break the habit.
That is how self-sabotage, my habit of self-sabotage, started and continued. And you can understand that if you're always surrendering, always kind of giving up, and I don't want to deal with those feelings, I'm going to avoid those feelings, it's too painful. You can imagine how, if you struggle in that area, it's going to impact a coaching business as it impacted mine. I'm going to share that with you next.
During a coaching session, I struggled to provide guidance, second guessing the next best question to ask and appearing unsure. Clients picked up on this lack of confidence, which ultimately undermined trust and belief in my coaching abilities. After a session, I ruminated on the session, worrying about whether I provided the best support. This led to increased stress and anxiety, affecting my overall well being and ability to prepare for future sessions. So, how did I turn this around? Well, let's look at my how to stop self sabotage hacks that improved my coaching skills.
All right, how I stopped self-sabotage and improved my coaching with just some very, very simple hacks. Supportive self-care. This was new to me when I was starting my coaching business, and even quite a ways through, actually starting my career. We look at the whole career. Self-care, what's self-care? I was so focused on not failing. And this is where failure is success in progress. And that's where the ladder method helped me in moving up that ladder and understanding that, yeah, with each time, mistakes, they're going to happen. You don't have to be perfect. And I talked about that at the end of the last video, progress, not perfection. And self-care helped me to build confidence, self-confidence and assurance during my coaching sessions. As simple as those are, it was very challenging for me to add any type of self-care. What? I'm always focused on other people, other care. But changing the mindset of success, that is inevitable. Everything I do is a success because I'm always learning. And when I learn a new approach, oh, that didn't work so good. Okay, I'm going to try this out. That was something that I had to build my way up to. And I'll share more about the ladder method in the bonus download. So stick around. I'm going to share with you how to find the How to Stop Self-Sabotage Healthy Habits download.
Visit louiseandmaurice.com, locate the free tab in the menu, click on the last title in the drop down menu called Healthy Habits, locate the video titled How to Stop Self Sabotage, locate the PDF document directly below that video titled Healthy Habits to Stop Self Sabotage.pdf.
This was my mantra: be brave with your life. And self-sabotage, surrendering when things got tough or rough, or I didn't feel like doing something because it didn't feel good, and I didn't want to experience anything like rejection or painful emotions. That stopped me from growing and developing into the professional I am today and will continue to develop beyond the taping of this video. And that's what I want to share with you in my mentorship series to end it all, this last video, be brave with your life and do those things that are challenging and go into situations that might take you out of your comfort zone. Because in my experience, it's those situations that have helped me grow the most and helped me to become the best version of me today. Because I'm still, it's a work in progress. And that's something that I have embraced. And I know that it's just a wonderful journey. Life is an amazing journey. And being a coach, a consultant, a team lead, a manager, when you show up every day and you are the best version of you and you're okay with where you're at and you're brave with your life, and if there's challenges and you learn to laugh at some of the mistakes that you've made and the failures that you've learned some valuable lessons, as long as you're not hurting yourself or hurting others, then it's amazing and it's wonderful. And when you come from that place of kindness and uh, you're assertive, you stand up for yourself, you stand up for what you believe in, but you allow others to express their opinions and their own beliefs. And it's all about acceptance. And it's amazing. It is amazing. All right. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone that can benefit from watching it. This is another video that I think you might find valuable and useful, a continuation of what we've been talking about. If you are not a subscriber, make sure you click on my image. Again, I am your instructor, Louise and Maurice, and I have loved creating this video series for you. Healthy habits, empowered habits. And this is something that has been near and dear to my heart. And until next time, I thank you.